Hey guys, Adam with Hennessey Performance. We're back out here at the track with another 2025 Escalade V. I had mentioned in a video recently, we're starting to see a lot of these units roll through the shop. And one of the perks of that is we get to see a lot of different specs. This one here is finished in radiant red with a diamond stitch white interior and a very coveted executive package. Now that's been so we thought we'd take you out here and show you guys what all that includes. Let's dive into it. All right, so hopping in the back here where all of the special features are, you'll notice right away the doors open for you. The side step comes out. It just adds to that VIP experience. Now let's head inside and check out the interior. So immediately when you get in the back seat, obviously you notice the giant touchscreen in front of you, but also you have your own command center here in the back. Controls things like heated and cooled rear seats, as well as a massage feature for your passengers, an electronically adjustable seat position right here on the screen. In addition to the command center, each passenger has their very own tray table. You can set up a laptop here, you can do your work in the back, you can eat your food, you can do whatever you need to back here. Cadillac's done a really great job incorporating all of these features into a package that meets the high standards of their executive clientele. So in the driver's seat, the vehicle still has all of the features that you would expect out of a Cadillac. It even has a really nice feature called the conversation enhancement. Now this is a big vehicle, you don't want to be yelling over people, so there are microphones around as well as speakers in the headrest to allow you to have conversations with your passengers without talking over each other. I do think that Cadillac did a great job at making sure that the driver feels just as special as its passengers in the back here, with the way that they have their screens laid out, the way that the information is presented to you, the access that you have to everything in the vehicle is just right at your fingertips. I also like the power plant under the hood, granted from the factory. It doesn't come with enough, but it sounds great, it's silky smooth to drive. This is something that I would love to drive every single day. And although this was built to be a luxury vehicle, it still has the potential to throw you in the back of your seat and be the performance vehicle that all of us want inside as well. All right, so that was a quick look at the executive package on the Cadillac Escalade V. It's got just about everything that you would want, except for 1,000 horsepower under the hood, which we're gonna be taking care of shortly on this particular vehicle. If you have an Escalade V yourself, we are able to install that 1,000 horsepower package no matter the trim level, so feel free to give us a call today and get your spot on the schedule.
Hennessey's awesome, and tuner school is awesome.